this video, I am going to share the details regarding this pre-workshop. So the reason behind the concept of workshop with contest is to engage the kid and make them to be more participative and motivate them to do better. So we are going to learn 6 different artwork in 6 days. So as we proceed in further, I will provide a brief detail on registration for the workshop and for the contest and the details regarding the material. Article images will be kept unrevealed because we have contests based on that. So the article images will be revealed on the particular day only. So while we are doing on a workshop, you will be able to see what we are going to do. That creates a more curiosity in the kids' mind too. Materials required is being shared in this video just because of the lockdown issues, so that if I share the material list, you can plan ahead with the material. And also a lot of people requested for the material list so that they can purchase it at a one shot. So coming to certificate, you will receive a certificate from Fevicryl or from Fevicreate depending upon the project and the age category which you are submitting. If you complete your project, do submit it and get your certificate. All the certificate will be issued after the announcement of result. Contest certificate will be provided from Tiny World to each and every kid who participate in the contest. So let's see why it's best to participate a workshop with a contest. The first and the foremost reason is that you are going to engage the summer time in a productive way. It's going to be a stress buster at this pandemic to encourage your kid to have a winning spirit by participating in the contest and gain a confidence. An e-certificate to all kids. Kids from each category is selected, so the chance of winning is higher. It motivates them to gain a more creativity. All kids' work will be recognized and given value. To participate in the workshop contest, register by filling the enrollment form. Once after filling it, send a friend request to Tiny World profile. I will share the form link in the description and also in the WhatsApp group. This is the profile image for your reference. So after your submission, you will get an e-certificate from Fevicryl or Fevicreate for the day 2, 3 and 4. So the third point is that the kid of age 4 to 12 is eligible to participate in the contest. So the contest is only for the kids who falls under the category of 4 to 12. Any ladies or girls with the interest to participate in the workshop can also take part in the workshop but not in the contest. All 6 days submission is required from the kid to participate in the contest. The 6 work should be of what we taught in the workshop. Adding extra creativity is welcome but nothing out of the topic. Click a clear image of all 6 days article and also a 1-minute video of all the work with the kid to verify the participation, and that need to be uploaded in the Google form. To submit your entries, fill the Google form and register it before 2/5/2021, that is on Sunday before 6 p.m. No parents' work will be taken into account. Any malpractices will nullify the entries. No late entries is allowed. Winners in each category selected by the judges on basis of presentation, neatness, creativity, and the categories are 4 to 8 years and 9 to 12 years. Judges' decision will be the final. Winning kid from each category will get a gift hamper from Tiny World through Amazon. Google Forms will be shared on 30/4/2021 at 4 p.m. You can start filling it and enroll for the contest. After filling it, just take a screenshot. To participate in the contest, ₹20 for the 8 participants. The payment can be made through GPay or Paytm or through net banking. So this is the day-wise schedule along with the material list. For the day 1 on 25/4/2021 Sunday, we will be doing a marble printing. So it will be in the form of a pre-recorded video. So the material required for the marble printing are A4 sheets, acrylic paint, oil, water bowl and a paintbrush. So for the day 2, we will be doing a live session on a Facebook Live at 4 to 5 p.m. So for that, we will require a Fevicryl molded, Fevicryl acrylic colors, Fevicryl Mod Podge, Fevicol MR and a metal wire, talcum powder and paintbrush. For the day 3, again we will be meeting up on the live at 4 to 5 in Facebook. So on that day, we will be doing a fridge magnet. So the material required for that day is Fevicryl molded, Fevicryl acrylic paint, Fevicryl Mod Podge, Fevicol Emma, magnet, talcum powder and paintbrush. All the materials that I have mentioned will be available in any stationery stores. You can also order through Amazon. We have our 2 weeks of time, so you can place your orders too. For the day 4 session on 28/4/2021 on Wednesday, we will be making a coconut container. On a Facebook Live, we will be meeting on 4 to 5. So material required for that session are Fevicryl acrylic colors, Fevicryl Mod Podge, Fevicryl molded, 3D outliner or stones are optional, and coconut and Fevicol A+ and paintbrush. So these are the required materials that you need to have for the session. So for the day 5 on 29/4/2021 Thursday, we will be making a fishing game. So that session will be a pre-recorded one. For making a fishing bowl, the material required are plastic or metal bowl, Rangila paints or acrylic paints, paintbrush, Fevicol Emma, straw, magnet and color pens. So again, these are pre-recorded videos. So pre-recorded videos will be shared every morning in the group. And for the day 6, Friday, we will be making a wall decor. So material required for that are acrylic paint, paper plates, 2-way tape and paintbrush.